In this video, we are discussing the different ways that agents can be configured in the help desk regarding access and permissions. Let's start by going over the three sections of the help desk that agents can have access to: the agent panel, admin panel, and account panel. The agent panel is where the tickets, tasks, users, and the knowledge base is located. All agents in the help desk will have access to the agent panel, though you can limit their access within different areas of this panel by configuring their individual permissions, which I will review later. The admin panel is where the global configurations of the help desk are managed, as well as the agent information, access, and permissions. This is also where all system logs and audits are located. Access to this panel is not necessary for all agents unless desired. It is needed for any agents that need the ability to change the global configurations of the help desk and configure agent accounts in the help desk. The account panel is the panel where the number of agents, the subscription level, and domains are managed. Access to the account panel is required for agents to have the ability to add or remove agents, which can be done from the account panel or admin panel. Access to this panel is not necessary for all agents unless desired. When adding an agent, you will go to the Account panel, Agents tab, and select Add New Agent. You will see that you are required to set a primary department and associate a set of role permissions for the access to tickets routed to this department. The department is the default department the agent will have access to review and manage the tickets, while the role is the permissions that they will have within the tickets and tasks of that department. Agents will only see tickets and tasks in the help desk that they have department access to. Here you are only configuring the agent's primary department, but after adding the agent, you can grant them access to additional departments. To give agents access to additional departments in the help desk, go to the Admin panel Agents tab. Open their profile, then go to the Access tab. Add all other departments that you want them to have access to under the Extended Access section. After adding each department, you will set the role permissions that the agent will have within that department. Roles are configured within the Roles section of the Agents tab. You can edit the roles currently listed in your help desk, or you can create as many new ones as necessary. When configuring roles, you're simply checking the box next to each permission that you want the agent to have for tickets and tasks of that department. Now let's go back to the agent creation screen. The next step is determining if you want the agent to have access to the account panel and/or admin panel. Leaving these boxes unchecked will only grant them access to the agent panel. Lastly, you will determine if you want this agent to be an occasional agent or a full-time agent. Occasional agents have access to your help desk on a per-day basis and log in with day passes. Day passes are required for occasional agents to access your help desk for a 24-hour period from initial login. At any time in your subscription period, occasional agents can be converted into full-time agents. Occasional agents and full-time agents can be configured the exact same way in the help desk. The only difference is that you will pay a monthly subscription fee for full-time agents, whereas occasional agents require day passes and are not counted as an agent towards the subscription fee. After adding the agent, you can always come back here to the account panel and open their agent account to adjust their panel access, their agent type, full-time or occasional, and can also lock their account by unchecking the status box, which prevents them from logging in. To configure all other permissions outside of tickets and tasks, you will go to the Permissions tab of the agent's account. This is where you will configure the permissions in regards to the users, organizations, the knowledge base, and a few other miscellaneous areas of the help desk, including the dashboard. Within the Account tab of the agent's profile, agents with admin panel access can also grant other agents access to the admin panel by checking the box for Administrator under Status and Settings. From here, you can also lock the agent's account if necessary to prevent them from logging in. And that covers everything you'll need to know about agent types, access, and permissions. For additional information on anything I discussed today, please feel free to check out our documentation website at docs.supportsystem.com. Or feel free to give us a call, as we're happy to assist you in creating everything you're looking to accomplish. Thank you for choosing Support System to make happy customers.